This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we have a problem.
Hello everyone, just like to share a quick video with you all about a quick mod I did to improve my Svord friction folder. A very quick intro, Svord is a brand specialized in handmade friction folder. They are modeled after the peasant knives one used in New Zealand. I really do like their simple designs, no lock to fail, easy to take apart and maintenance. These are some really good knives. The only qualm I have with the Svord knives is their small model. The tip of the blade does clip onto the end pivot, and sometimes the fit and finish does left something to be desired for. But around $14 to $20 for a pop from New Zealand, I think it's easy to fix than to complain about it. So let's take a few minutes to fine-tune this puppy. To fix the clipping problem, I simply put on a sleeve onto the stopping pin. One way is to put on a heat shrink wrap around that pin, and for a more permanent solution, I make myself a bushing from a brass tube to fit onto that pin. After I fitted the bushing onto that pin, much to my surprise, the problem still persists. I mean, I've done the same mod in the past and it worked, maybe just not this time. Luckily, I have another tubing laying around, which can fit right on top of that. So I went ahead and make myself another one. Easy peasy, right? The rest of the mod is more about cosmetic. I sand down the horrible original varnish and the uneven handle and put on arbor knobs to protect the surface. There's a little bit that stuck out like a little needle at the pivots. Sand that down too and polish them up good. Close this up and this happens. What? It's not closing, come on. Houston, you gotta be messing with me. What? That's not real. What the hell? Okay, let's backtrack. I mean, this doesn't make much sense, but let's take away the second bushing and let's see what happens. So I took away one of the bushings and now the blade is not touching the end pivot. See that light in between the blade and the end pivot? And even when I press on it, they won't be clashing together. Well now, isn't that one of those life mysteries? When we were doing the mod, we needed the two bushings. And as we close up the knife, we actually only needed one. And by the way, let's see, the blade is actually safely sandwiched in between those two handles. So it's perfect now. Alrighty, thank you for watching again, and please do subscribe if you like what you see, and I'll see you in the next video.
I'll be back.